Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make egg rolls. This is very easy to make. It turned out so delicious. It's super crunchy, crispy. Guys, I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. You're going to love it, trust me. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In the bowl, I added in rice noodles followed by hot water. I'll let this sit for at least 5 minutes. To my saucepan, I added in about a tablespoon of olive oil followed by chopped onion and bacon. I'm using smoked bacon. I then added in garlic powder, but you can use any protein of your choice, so the bacon that I'm using is totally optional. I'll stir this and let it cook for like 2 minutes, and then I'll add in chicken sausage, which is also totally optional, so you can use any protein of your choice, or you can even leave those two things out. After 2 minutes, I added in chopped carrots and cabbage. I'll stir this and let it cook for 2 minutes before adding in the rest of the vegetables. So I'll stir this till well combined, and then I'll add in the rest of the vegetables. So you can use any vegetables of your choice as well. After, I added in chopped red onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, vegetable seasoning, soya sauce, and chili flakes, which is totally optional. If you are not a chili lover, please leave the chili flakes out. Lastly, I added in salt, and then I'll stir this and let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You do not want to overcook the veggies. After, I created a well in the middle, and then I added in the eggs. It's eggs rolls that we are doing, so egg rolls cannot be or can never be egg rolls without adding in eggs. So I added in the eggs, wait for like 2 minutes, and then stir it till well combined. Last but not the least, I'll add in the noodles, the rice noodles, and I'll stir this till well combined again. So basically this is it, guys. This is very easy and it turned out so delicious. Just look at the feeling. It's the easiest and the delicious feeling for egg rolls you ever made. Look at this, guys. When you get to this point, it's ready, and set it aside. So before we start making the egg rolls, make sure you preheat your oil and go on with the egg rolls. So this is the spring roll wrapper that I made by myself. If you want to know how to do it, I have the recipe on my channel. Please go through my videos. You find out how to make spring roll wrappers or spring rolls from scratch. You can use egg rolls wrappers as well. So that's it. It's very simple. Add the filling to the edge of the spring roll wrapper and then wrap it, or the egg roll wrapper and wrap it. That's it. It's very simple. It's easy. If you don't understand, please follow carefully the video and you would understand everything. So just fold it, wrap it, and when you are done, fry those bad boys. It's as simple as ABCD. Look at this, guys. It turned out so delicious. I was very happy of the outcome, and trust me, the guests in my house really they even finished all. They finished all. It was so delicious, guys. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So stay close to it and keep turning. When it's ready, remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. Look at this, guys. So when you get to this point, like this golden brown like this, that means it's ready. Remove it from the oil. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Follow my page. Share my videos, guys. Please share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. And look at this. Look at how it turned out. This is super crunchy. It's crispy, guys. You will love it. They will love it. So you can use the normal store-bought spring roll wrappers to make this, or egg roll wrappers to make this amazing recipe, and trust me, going to love it. Make it, serve it to your guests, even at your party events, and I know your guests are going to love it. Your kids are going to love it, guys. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.